Hi guys, just received this wireless transmitter and receiver set from KKK. I ordered it on B&H. This kit is the one that comes with 2 transmitters and 1 receiver, and so out of the box you can see some of the features are fast charging. It has a built-in microphone, that's good, so you don't need to have a lav mic connected because the transmitter has a built-in microphone. 2.4 GHz transmission, and it has a real-time monitoring, which means you can plug in your headphones and monitor the audio. So let's open it and see what is included. By the way, I am recording this on my smartphone using the phone microphone, the phone's audio microphone, so that we can test it once I set this up, if there is how these mics works, and we can differentiate the quality between the microphone on my phone versus this new wireless transmitter and receiver set. Okay, so out of the box, comes with a nice soft pouch. Sorry about that. We have a basic manual with instructions, and the pouch has 2 pockets. I think one probably is for the transmitters, the other might be for the receiver. So it has this nice dead cat for windy situations. They have 2, and that's pretty much in one pocket. The second one looks like a bunch of cables, audio cables, cable. So second pocket pretty much has all cables. So let's see what they are. Okay, let's open this. It's really tiny transmitter, so good thing is it can easily hide the clip. You can clip it onto the belt, or I think the same thing can be used to connect to your hot or cold shoebox on the camera. The built-in microphone, and it has a input or a port to connect your headphones to monitor. So one end we have a USB-C port to charge. This transmitter comes with a built-in battery, so you don't have to worry about external batteries. They claim the transmitter works for 6 hours. One charge should give you 6 hours of coverage. On the other end we have the power button. The next one looks like a unmute, and the third one looks like a pairing, so that's you probably use this button to pair with your receiver. Next we have, I think, the dead cats, 1 per transmitter. I think you just mount it and twist it to lock. Oops. So they have arrows indicating, so turn this way to lock and the other way to unlock, and they have small grooves that fits into this hole, so I can connect and then let's see if I'm doing it the wrong way. Okay, so lock is this way. Okay, let's mount it. Oh man, And okay, I have to figure out how to lock this, but it's there. So let me power it on. Okay, hold the button for a few seconds and it powers on. It's blinking. I assume it's trying to look for the receiver. Let's open the receiver. I hope this is the receiver, or probably it's another transmitter. Okay, so this is the receiver. It clearly says it's a receiver, and very similar to the transmitter. Only difference I see is my receiver has a line in, so I probably can connect another mic or external audio source. I have the USB charger, USB port to charge, headphone jack to monitor, and on this side you see we have the power button. Let me power it on. Okay, looks like this has no charge, not powering on. Then we have the volume control on the receiver, right? And then let's look at third one, which is my second transmitter. Okay, so I have my both transmitters powered on. My receiver for some reason is not powering on. Let me charge. Okay, yeah, now if you noticed, they stopped blinking, which I assume means all the three mics have been paired. So let me leave that for charging, and let's take a look at the cables that came with the package. Okay, so they have provided with a lav mic. I think 2 lav mics, one for each transmitter. It snugs in, comes with its own tie, velcro tie. It doesn't have any locking mechanism like the others where you can screw it into the port, but it's pretty strong. I don't think it will easily come out. That's one. Let's see what else we have. Okay, so looks like USB-C cables. Okay, oh, interesting. So we have one we have 3 USB-Cs coming out of one single USB-A. So this will go into my charger. Let me connect and I'll show you. And then I can charge all my devices, in the sense I can charge my transmitter, receivers using a single cable. This is a nice touch to have all charged through a single cable, so less cables to carry. And let's look at what else is included. Looks like an audio cable. So this is a camera cable, which means it goes from your receiver right, so the line out from the receiver can get into your camera, so you can give a feed directly from the receiver into the camera and record. The other cable, let's see what is it. And this is a phone cable, so good thing is now, which means I should, if I'm doing a video or if I'm recording on my smartphone or a phone and I want to capture the audio, then I can connect this cable which says the phone cable can go into my phone and the other one will get into the receiver.
That's all I wanted to show in this unboxing video. Let me do the quick test and then I'll get back to you with a new video. Thank you. Bye.